The number of bacteria in a growth medium is expected to increase by 140% every 1/5 hours during a period of observation. The number of bacteria in the growth medium is estimated to be 12,000 when the period of observation began. Which function P gives the expected number of bacteria in this growth medium T hours after the period of observation began? When I go over the answer choices, we have an exponential function in each answer choice. So the given situation can be expressed using an exponential model. Since the number of bacteria is increasing, we can represent the given situation by an exponential growth function. The general form of an exponential growth function is y equals to a times 1 positive r raised to the power of t over d. Here a is the initial value of y, r is the rate of growth in decimal, and t is the time period, d is the growth interval. In this case, growth interval is 1/5 hours. That is, the value of d is 1/5 in the given situation. Okay, now what we can do is we can replace this y by p of t, which gives the expected number of bacteria. And for a, we can plug in this 12,000. That is the initial number of bacteria. Let me plug in times 1 positive. R represents the rate of growth. Here the rate of growth is 140%. We can convert this one to decimal. Then I'm getting 1.40. And we can keep this time period t as it is. Already we know that this d is a growth interval. In this case, it's 1/5. Let's plug in 1/5 for d. Okay, then we have p of t equals to 12,000. When I add 1 and 1.40, I'm getting 2.40. Let's simplify this one. That is t over 1/5. That is t. We can change this division as multiplication. Get reciprocal of this one. Then I'm getting 5 over 1. So t times 5 can be written as 5t. 5t over 1 is just 5t. So the simplification of this one is 5t. Here I got the function which gives expected number of bacteria in the growth medium after t hours. We find this function in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.